Hello and welcome back everyone. Into this video, we're going to talk about user research. Now, user research can be aligned in a very different format because user research allows you to understand if your product is actually viable for the market or not. In this video, I'm going to talk about our solution, Indifin, which has been produced by my software company. We use this solution across businesses and other vendors as well, and we sell this as a subscription service so that people who are lacking a good financials management software can use our software for them. Now, Indifin has been designed to keep in mind a lot of factors and a lot of use cases which people usually suffer in the market. And I'm going to show you a demo, show you how it's different and how we created it. The main idea behind doing a user research is just to allow and understand if the people actually need this product or not. A lot of time, what happens is that you create something that is not even required in the market. Now, in that case, you would just eventually waste a lot of time, a lot of resources, and you don't really want to be in that situation. Now, that being said, let's actually dive into our video and get started with it. So we're going to talk about user research. First of all, let's look at the use case of Indifin. Okay, what happened and why did we decide to make this? So if you see 2001 based visual interpretation software like Tally, okay, looks like this. In 2020, it still look like this. You see, there has not really been a change in the kind of interface that was there. Okay, now the problem is that these kind of interfaces make the process slower. There is no keyboard, there is no mouse support, and people have to use only keyboard to use this thing. Now we understood this problem and we decided to take a step and design something much more easier. So our main goal was, how can technology help business owners and team focus on selling and purchasing and not taxes and billing? Okay, our main focus was to make sure that we can remove the problem of taxing and billing and automate that in some sort of the other. We did that with the help of our software, Indifin. And we also took in mind that we want to make taxing and billing easier at the most. Okay. So what I've done right now is I've loaded up a demo version or a new account of Indifin with on my software, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Actually, I can log out and show you how it looks. I think that would be much more better. So let's log in to this journey with my email address, of course. And then we see login successful. Okay. So now we have our main dashboard, which is there. And in this dashboard, there is obviously no sales. So you can see it, nothing has been dynamically updated. You can go to invoices, create a new invoice, add a reoccurring invoice, have payments, have business expenses, and have the estimates as well. Now, you can also add a customer database, which will not really allow you to, handle and manage your customers, but make sure that, your customers are all packed in one single solution. Now, Indifin kept a lot of these things in mind and, generates reports as well. So you can just simply click on report and, you get profit, loss, expense, and taxes report all at the same time. And the main idea remains the same, that, if you want to create something, or if you want to make sure that, you have a software which is even required in the market, you need to understand the need of the software first. Okay, if there's no need of the software, then it's not going to help you grow as a business, and it's not going to help other people as a business. The main idea when before you create any sort of product is that it should be value addition product. Okay, if it's not adding any value, then it's not going to work out at all. Now, that was a short intro, and that was a short brief on user research. Next videos, we're going to talk about actual user research, and we're going to see how you can do user research as well. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy learning and peace.